This is a variant under monitoring, so which means that there are mutations, no? Nagmutate yung type of this COVID virus to the point that there are mutations that are observed that it can evade. Kumbaga, kung yung mga nabakuna before, hindi na sila protektado, pwedeng mahawa sila anytime dahil doon sa mga nakikitang mga kaso ngayon sa I think there are already 23 countries now reporting this particular BA.3.2, no? At sa mga kasong nakikita, so far naman, hindi naman walang namamatay pa, no? Mostly are those na hospital elderly, which is expected even in COVID na non-sikada type. Ganun naman talaga ang COVID pag medyo matanda ka na, doon sila mas mataas ang risk na pwedeng ma-hospital, no? So doon sa mga data natin nakita based on the early report, this can be the next dominant COVID mutated virus. But again, this is not as bad as we had COVID before when we had 2020, 2021, and 2022.